Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use public transport in Zagreb. First, understand that Zagreb's public transport system, operated by ZET, is very efficient and covers the entire city. Trams are the most common way to get around the city center, while buses serve wider areas and connect to the suburbs. This guide will help you navigate the system with ease, ensuring a smooth travel experience during your visit. When it comes to tickets, you have several options. You can buy single-ride tickets at newsstands, kiosks, or directly from the tram or bus driver, though it's slightly more expensive from the driver. A single ticket is valid for 30 minutes and costs approximately €53. For longer stays, consider daily, weekly, or even monthly passes, which provide significant savings and convenience for unlimited travel. Navigating the system is straightforward. Always remember to validate your ticket immediately after boarding by inserting it into the yellow machines. Failing to do so can result in a fine. For route planning, I recommend using online maps or the official ZET mobile application, which provides real-time schedules and helps you find the best connections. Look for clear signs at each stop displaying the tram or bus numbers and their destinations. Here are some final tips for your journey. Zagreb's public transport generally runs from around 4 in the morning until midnight. After midnight, a reduced number of night lines operate, so check their specific schedules if you plan to be out late. Always keep your validated ticket handy in case of inspection. Also, for other great deals, and to check out some fantastic socks with a lifetime warranty, be sure to look at the link in the description below. Enjoy your travels in Zagreb.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.